Hey everyone! Have you ever looked at your favorite celebrity and wished you could try on their look? I know I have. There's something so fascinating about transforming yourself and channeling the aura of someone you admire. Makeup is like having a magical toolbox. It lets us explore different facets of ourselves and play with our appearance. We're not just talking about a little touch-up here. We're diving headfirst into the art of dramatic transformations. Think about the power of makeup to completely reshape your eyebrows, give you Angelina Jolie's iconic lips, or even sculpt your face to resemble Kim Kardashian's killer contour. This journey is all about pushing boundaries and realizing that with the right techniques and a sprinkle of confidence, any look is achievable. It's about tapping into that inner artist, grabbing your makeup brushes and saying, "Let's create some magic." So buckle up, beauty lovers, because we're about to embark on a thrilling ride. Get ready to unlock the secrets behind celebrity makeovers and discover the transformative power of makeup. Let's start with the windows to the soul, the eyes. Eyes are often the focal point of any makeup look, and they can completely transform your face. Think about the smoldering, smoky eyes of Ariana Grande, or the bold, graphic liner of Zendaya. Each look tells a story. To recreate these eye-catching styles, you'll need a few key products in your arsenal. A good eyeshadow palette with a variety of shades is essential, as is a trusty black eyeliner and some volumizing mascara. Start by mapping out the shape you want to achieve, using lighter shades as a base and gradually building up the intensity with darker colors. Don't be afraid to experiment with different eyeliner styles. A winged liner can elongate the eye, while a smudged-out look creates a sultry vibe. And of course, no eye look is complete without a few coats of mascara to open up those peepers. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't get discouraged if your first attempt doesn't look exactly like your inspiration picture. Keep playing with different techniques and products until you find what works best for you. Next up, let's talk about lips. The right lip color can instantly elevate your look. And when it comes to celebrity transformations, lip liner is your best friend. Kylie Jenner, anyone? Overlining your lips can create the illusion of fullness and pout, instantly transforming your entire face. Start by choosing a lip liner that matches your desired lip color or is slightly darker than your natural lip tone. Carefully outline your lips, slightly exaggerating your natural shape if you want to create a fuller look. Fill in your lips with the liner for longer-lasting color. Now it's time for lipstick. Choose a shade that complements your liner and apply it evenly to your lips. For a high shine finish, top with a gloss. And there you have it, luscious, celebrity-worthy lips. Remember, the key to nailing any lip look is to choose colors and finishes that flatter your skin tone and personal style. Section 4. Contouring, sculpting the face you desire. Contouring has become a staple in the makeup world, allowing us to accentuate our features and create the illusion of sculpted cheekbones, a slimmer nose, and a more defined jawline. Kim Kardashian brought contouring into the spotlight, and it's a technique that can truly transform your face. The key to successful contouring is understanding light and shadow. Using a matte bronzer or contour powder that's 2 shades darker than your skin tone, create soft lines beneath your cheekbones, along your hairline, and on the sides of your nose. Blend these lines seamlessly for a natural-looking shadow effect. Next, apply a highlighter to the high points of your face where light naturally hits, the tops of your cheekbones, down the bridge of your nose, on your cupid's bow, and on your brow bone. This will create a luminous, lifted effect. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to contouring. Start with subtle applications and gradually build up the intensity until you achieve your desired look. Section 5. The power of hair and wardrobe. Completing the look. We've talked about the magic of makeup, but no celebrity transformation is complete without considering hair and wardrobe. Think about the iconic blonde waves of Marilyn Monroe or the sleek bob of Anna Wintour. These hairstyles are synonymous with their respective stars. Experiment with wigs, hair extensions, or even temporary hair color sprays to recreate your favorite celebrity hairstyles. Don't be afraid to go bold and try something new. Remember, it's all about having fun and expressing yourself. When it comes to wardrobe, consider the signature style of the celebrity you're channeling. Is it edgy and glamorous like Rihanna, or classic and sophisticated like Amal Clooney? Choose pieces that reflect their aesthetic and make you feel confident and empowered. Section 6. Unleashing your inner celebrity. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of celebrity makeovers and the transformative power of makeup. Remember, makeup is an art form, and like any art, it takes practice, experimentation, and a whole lot of passion. Don't be afraid to let your inner artist shine through. Embrace the transformative journey and have fun exploring different looks. Whether you're aiming for a dramatic red carpet moment or a subtle everyday glow-up, the most important thing is to feel confident and beautiful in your own skin. So grab your makeup brushes, put on your favorite playlist, and unleash your inner celebrity. Who knows, you might just discover a hidden talent or a newfound love for all things beauty. The possibilities are endless.